Okay, so before this video actually starts, just realized I wanted to do an install of this product and kind of show it to you, but my bike is having all kinds of issues right now. We're not sure if it's electrical or power based or what's going on, but it's going to be going in the shop, and because it's a victory and because this is 2024, getting parts for it is not easy. And because of that, they're telling me it's going to be at least 1 to 2 months for my bike to have parts so that they can fix it, which sucks a whole lot. Anyways, because of that, this is going to be an unboxing, but I did grab the video from these guys' website, and I placed it at the end of the video so you can see how it installs. Just realized it's Carplay. It's Carplay for your motorcycle. If this is something of interest, we'll put links below where you guys can go check out more info on this unit. It does look like a nice unit. It's got a nice big screen, which I really like. The one thing that I wish is that some of these units that we see coming out for motorcycles right now that are hardwired to the bike's electrical, either to the battery or to the fuse or whatever it is, to an accessory port, I wish that they had options to just plug it into like a USB port for power. That would kind of be nice. Anyways, here comes the unboxing. Hopefully, if my bike gets fixed anytime soon, which is this, we'll do a follow-up video and show you guys what it looks like. But until then, here's the unboxing, and just ignore what I say at the end, or I'm like, let's see how it works, because I can't. Yeah. All right. Video coming up now. So today we're looking at a new Carplay unit for your motorcycle. And this is, as you can see, it says MT2 right here. It's from a website, and they sent this to us from LinkiFun. I'm not too sure. And it's the MT21688 portable motorcycle dash cam with wireless CarPlay Android Auto. Now, here's the cool part. It's a pretty big screen. 6.86 inches. So I'm hoping that they've got some nice brackets to kind of get it out from the handlebars and stuff like that. Touchscreen, dual cameras, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, HD 1080p. Three reviews, 3 stars, $218 US, which is pretty good. It looks like, you know, it's got, I don't know, I'm not sure if this is Android Auto or if that's just a normal screen or what, but it looks pretty fancy. It looks like it also comes with like a little hand control, which is cool. 64 gig card. There's your wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. I don't know. I like the size. I have to say, something like that could be nice. Now, just take that into consideration, because some of us, a big screen we think is pretty cool, and sometimes you're like, oh, big screen is not as cool. Now, on their website, they also have an instruction video. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave a link down below so you guys can go take a look. Simple ride with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, today what we're doing is we are just kind of going to take a look at it. I'm not going to install it with the cameras and stuff like that, because I have a camera system on my motorcycle already, and I really don't want to spend 4 hours installing this with the cameras and going into the battery and all that kind of stuff. But if you wanted to, then go ahead. So think of this more as a first look at this screen, and also seeing what comes in the box. Now, what I will do is I will mount this on the bike. I'll probably do that tomorrow, because I think it's supposed to be a little nicer outside, so that we can see how it operates. Anyways, for $218, what do you get? It's a pretty hefty box. I'm going to say a pretty hefty box. You can see on the back here, a lot of Asian language, but CarPlay, Android Auto, video recording, because comes with the 2 cameras, I believe, waterproof and dustproof. Vibration dampening is built into it. You can enjoy your music. It has a parking monitor, notifications. That one, I'm wondering if notifications, maybe it's just talking about with CarPlay, so notifications show up on the screen, is my guess. Wired controller, very cool. And I haven't even opened it. It is a nice box though, but just realize you will have to do some wiring. Now, I am hoping that there's going to be an English manual. That's a hope for sure. Okay, more box. Okay, so here we go. It's got that's a cover for that is a nice size for sure. That's because the last one I had, I want to say it was like maybe 4.5 inches or 5 inches. So this is tacking on 2 inches and it's wide, right? So all the cables are right here. So these are basically just going to plug into, it should be, my guess would be possibly one for GPS, 2 cameras and a power, maybe. Power, front cam, rear cam, and controller. So controller. GPS must be actually in the unit. That's where you're going to have all your mounting, just your mounting plates right there to go into this. But looks like good ventilation. All right, that's nice. My guess would be, and it's probably built into it already, but if you look down up here, 2 screws. My guess is this is where your SD card is sitting inside. It's just kind of fixed in there. That would be my guess. It does say it comes with 64 gigs, so I'm guessing that's where that stuff goes. Now inside here, it does say silicone pad, host bracket, what does it say? Reducing ring, user manual, screen tightening film application kit, cleaning cloth, cable ties, screwdriver, L-shaped Allen key. Okay, lots of goodies. Now again, if you were going to be, and here's your actual manual, right? So, okay, it's actually a pretty decent manual, and it has an app, so you guys can download an app. There's a QR code, things like that. Okay, manual wise, I think it's pretty good. There's your cleaning cloth. There is, oh, that's actually there's like a full-size screwdriver. Okay, that's your wired remote that you put on your dash. Cool. This is your handlebar mount. Okay, that looks good. I will use that. You get these Allen keys, zip ties. This is a screen protector accessories and a screen protector. That's decent. Yeah, that's decent for sure. I'm just going to fold that up, try to get the screen protector back in there somehow. I'll figure that one out later. Anyways, and then next box, this is, what do we get here? Front camera, rear camera, and power cord. 64 gig is built into the host card slot. So yes, it's already built in there. So for me, I'm not going to play with these cameras. I wonder if they're, because they look like the same cameras that I have on my system already. I wonder if I were to just rewire them into this one. Maybe I'm gonna actually try that. But you get all the camera goodness, which is cool. Yes, you know, that'd be awesome if I could use my existing cameras. I don't have to rewire, and then these could just be spares, just in case, you know, something bad happened and you had. Because I put, you know, the cameras are sitting right on the front, right? They're in the front of the motorcycle, so they can't get like a rock chip or something, just fly up and smack them, right? That's not going in there, right? Come on, you can do it. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fella out, and I'm going to hook it up to my motorcycle, and we're gonna see what it's like. I think, and we'll be curious. It'll be curious to see if this actually works with my existing power and everything that's already out there, because that's a nice screen. It's too bad it doesn't have TPMS, right? A tire pressure system, because then it would be complete, like some of the other ones that are coming out right now. All right, let's go outside and do that.